Fiverr just came out with their top trending search report, and this is so important if you're a freelancer and you're trying to figure out what gigs should I promote. If you're wondering like, oh, I want to promote more gigs and I don't know what to do, like what's going to be popular. I've showed other methods on how to look this up on Fiverr, which takes a lot of time. But if you just want the top report of what people are searching for, what are the top services that are being searched for on Fiverr? Fiverr just came out with they just sent me the email. They're showing me the top report, top trending search report on Fiverr. And I got this because I'm in the Fiverr affiliate program. So one of the main things that I would say to do is like get signed up for the Fiverr affiliate program. If you want to, know how to do that and you don't know how, just go ahead and check out the video. I'll put it there or in the description. But I want to get into this report so we can go over a couple things. You can see what are the top services that are trending for Q1 of 2023. So right now it's, we're at the beginning of Q2. So I just want to show you what has been trending so you can start to take action and build your new gig services around these top trending services, because this is what's going to get you the best upper hand. Because sometimes, like if your gigs aren't performing, if you're not getting jobs, you want to add on new services to help bring in more customers and help bring in just recurring revenue, because you can get more and more gigs and more orders from these customers, because now you can offer a different service plus your original service that you were doing. Like if you were a graphic designer, maybe you can add in some website design, something like that. So then when someone starts working with you, they don't have to go seek out somebody else. You can offer two services in one, in tandem, and that's really going to help you grow your business. Because I can tell you this for sure, because it's definitely happened with me in my business. I was doing ClickFunnels, which is like a website design. It's more of sales funnels. But then I also started doing Google ads. I started doing Facebook ads, started doing sales copy. So there's always like these other services you want to stack on top of what you originally do. Because if somebody's coming to you, they're obviously trying to run a business and they're going to need other services. So it just makes sense to have some other skill sets in your toolbox. So let's get into it. All right. So here's a top report, guys. Give people what they want. This is what Fiverr's saying. I totally agree with them. Give them what they want. Why, promote gigs or start a new gig that's not even popular. You want to know what's popular, and they're giving you some insight here. So let's go ahead and go with this. Promote smarter, not harder. Totally agree with them. You can take a shot in the dark, or you can promote exactly what your audience is looking for. Yes, I totally agree. Our quarterly top trending search report is spilling the tea on what's hot on Fiverr, so you can focus on what people want, get them there faster, and earn commission along the way. Totally agree. All right, so there's a couple things I want to look at here. All right, so there's a couple things I noticed and a couple things that I want to point out. Something I point out in a lot of my videos, but here's your topics. You have e-commerce marketing, Shopify marketing specifically, social media design. It's in Facebook ads category, website development for drop shipping, social media marketing, digital marketing, website development, WordPress website design. I think you should learn this. Any sort of website design is definitely going to be in high demand. Also, like with WordPress, people are always needing their sites updated, so that was something that can definitely bring you income along the way. And then more e-commerce marketing for Etsy digital products. All right, so just by clicking into this, I want to go and look at a couple things. Now, it says buyers keep returning here. So, and I was looking at these people. So here we have a level 2 sellers, and this level 2 seller, and these are ads by them. And usually there is, so they've completed 178 orders, but what I like to see is usually something right here that says orders in the queue. Right now they don't have any orders in the queue. So this is not exactly matching up with what they're saying that people are searching for. I'll close that one out. Let's check this one. 297 orders. Now, as you can see, they've done a lot of orders, so it's you can't say that this isn't actually working. And then you can come over and look at their prices. Basically plan on review your Shopify store, promote your Shopify store 3K. You want to come over and see what they're actually doing. And what makes sense. And this is going to take a little research on your part. This is not something that I do specifically. I do Facebook ads and Google ads, but this is not something that I do specifically. So I just want you to go into this, look into this if you're thinking about doing this specifically for Shopify. How to run. I think Facebook ads, like Facebook, Instagram ads, would be good. You can also double this up with Google ads, and you can see right here get customers with SEO, Shopify marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads. You can put it all in there. If someone has a store and they're trying to promote, you're going to have to do like, it's going to be like a lot of pictures, a lot of people using the product, stuff like that. But once you learn the structure and how to do the ads, you can actually, build people like a really nice ad campaign. And it takes a little bit. I'm not going to get into that. There's a little bit of time and effort that you have to put in. And if you don't know how to do this, I would definitely start by, going over to Fiverr Learn and checking out a few courses over there, because you can take courses on all this stuff and it's super cheap. And plus, they're going to give you a 30-day money back guarantee. And plus, they're also going to give you a badge. So once you finish the course, they're going to give you a badge. You can put and the badge is going to go on your profile. And now people will know that you actually took the course, you're skilled and you're educated in the topic of Facebook ads, of Google ads, of whatever the case may be. All right. So if we went over to Learn, I'm going to show you right now, Fiverr Learn, learn.fiverr.com. I'll put the link in the description too, if you want to grab that, and you can just come right over here. So marketing, let's go over to marketing, content, social media, marketing fundamentals. That would probably be a good one to have. And then digital marketing fundamentals, social media content strategy. I mean, you can get into a lot of this stuff. Is there an advertising? Websites, writing, business. Okay. So let's view a couple more. Let's see if they have any advertising in here. Facebook ads technique, bestseller. All right. So like, let's just take a look at this, for instance. So you can come in here. Look, they're going to give you a 30-day money back guarantee, unlimited access anywhere, anytime, learn from hand vetted instructors, experts in the field. Okay, you can check out a couple. They have previews in here. You can grab a free preview. It's $42. Honestly, $42 to learn how to do Facebook ads is pretty incredible. You can check out the reviews. 160 reviews, 4.8. And what else did I want to mention? I wanted to mention, they're not putting on here, but you do get a badge, right? So they're going to give you a badge. So you can get that. Oh, okay. So yeah, this badge right here will appear on your Fiverr profile upon completion, showcasing your expertise, which is like so important. I think like if you don't have any experience, like this is one of the best things that you can do is take a Fiverr Learn course, figure it out, get the badge, learn how to do a technique, and then the badge goes on your profile, and now you have credibility. I mean, you just can't beat it. Like I said, link in the description if you want to go over there and grab a free course, not a free course, but a course, 30-day money back guarantee if you don't think it was like worth it or whatever the case may be. But honestly, I would pay $42 just to have the badge. Like, honestly, I would. I think it's worth it just for that, just to have on your profile, because that can bring you a job worth of $100, $200, $300. I mean, it's kind of a no-brainer. You just put the money in and you get money back. So that's just, that's number one. Number two, let's see. Okay, so we don't have any orders in the queue here, which is like a little bit bothersome. Like, I want to see orders in the queue. Like, for instance, this one, what is this? Oh, so this is for Facebook ads. And so this is the discrepancy, right? They say that, Shopify marketing is one of the top trends, but honestly, I think like you're going to get better stuff over here. He's a top rated seller. So definitely want to copy what top rated sellers are doing. But once again, if there's no orders in the queue, it kind of baffles me a little bit. I think I had somebody here. Okay, so this guy's got 4 orders in the queue. I will make your sales soar with Facebook ads. So this is a good one, right? So once you find somebody like this, so this is in the Facebook ads. He's another pro verified. So these are another group of people that you can I would just copy the structure of what they have in their ads. Like, copy the content. I will create Facebook ad campaigns with 3 variations or optimize existing campaigns, right? And he's got standard, $6.95, and premium. So right off the bat, I mean, this guy's got, it's 3 days delivery minimum, right? And a minimum of $350. And he's got 4 orders in the queue. So 4 times 350 is $1,200. That's $1,400 in 3 days, right? So he's doing $1,400 in 3 days. Not a bad deal. That's really all I want to say about that one. So if we come over here, oh yeah, this is ones for the Shopify marketing. And here's where I was like seeing stuff. I'm not seeing anything really great over here. Even the Fiverr's Choice level 2 seller, 80 orders completed, but I don't see any orders in the queue. So that's just something that really bothers me. So like, I wouldn't necessarily specify in Shopify marketing. I would throw that into your profile when you're building out this gig profile, but I would also want to come in here and I want to find people that have orders in the queue. Let's see, he's a top rated seller. No, I don't see any orders in the queue there. And I don't know, maybe they're just doing that for the pros now, for pro rated sellers. This guy's got 5 orders in the queue, so he's a Fiverr's choice. I will consult you one-on-one about Facebook ads. This is not the first time I've seen this. I think this is a really good gig, really good opportunity. Look, he's doing 1 hour Facebook ads consulting coaching for $130. And then he has 2 hours for $235, and then gives a better price, all to $325. Another thing you want to think about, let's look at what he has for extras, because there should be extras here. So if you want to kind of like, funnel hack, it's called funnel hacking. But if you want to try and see what they got for extras. So he should have extras here, and then he should have like a coaching, like a recording. Something that I get some extra money on my consulting is like they pay for the recording. I'm going to record the call, but then they have to, if they want it, they have to pay for it, right? Because you're going over important stuff inside the call, and then if they want to, revisit it, they would have to pay for the recording. So there should be an extra there. That's a little bit of a, he's missing that part. He has 4 orders in the queue. I'll be your Facebook ads manager, top rated seller. This guy was actually, he's got 19 orders in the queue. I mean, look at this, 19 orders in the queue, minimum of $195, and then minimum of 7 days delivery time. So $195 times 7, let's bring the calculator over here, right? So 195 times 7 equals $1,365 in 7 days. So the other guy was doing $1,400 a week. This one's in 3 days or 4 days, and then this one's doing $1,365 in a matter of 7 days. So just something to think about. I think that like being able to run ads for people profitably is going to be like, you're going to have to learn how to do this. There's certain techniques. I put my time in. I know how to do ads a certain way, and I know how to do it so it works. You just got to get in there and learn it. I would definitely learn this because people want to run ads. Everybody that always comes to me with a funnel, like I do sales funnels, everybody that comes to me, they know what they want for a sales funnel. And I say, how are you going to drive traffic? And they're always like, I'm going to run some ads. And then 9 times out of 10, like they don't stay with it, or they run ads themselves and they lose their budget. So knowing how to do this stuff is very, very important. It's going to be, it's highly sought after. It's going to be a well-paid market for you. Here's 9 orders in the queue. And this person's doing, I will create high converting Facebook ads for you. 15 seconds ad. So this one's just creating ads. So there's something else you can do. You can just create the ads yourself, and then you can sell them to people. So, okay, I don't want to go too far into this. I love like talking about this stuff, but let's go back over here. So then you have social media design, website development, and drop shipping. But let's see what we got over here for social media design. So again, top rated seller, any Fiverr's choices up top. It says buyers keep returning. So let's check out. That's a good indication that these people are doing good. Okay, 17 orders in the queue. Look at this. 17 orders in the queue. So there you go. You can check this out. Structure your gig around what these successful people are doing. And okay, Shopify expert video creator. So she's probably got a ton of videos here. So definitely check out some of these people, because they're going to give you, these are like all the tips that you need, because all you have to do is follow what they're doing, and then you can, build your own gig this way. So I don't want to get into it too much, but I want to just go over the different things that are out there. Website development for drop shipping. So that's like a Shopify store. I'll create Shopify Facebook video ads, drop shipping video ads. Okay. That's not the right one. I will make Instagram stories. So drop shipping. So there's a lot of things going on for drop shipping. So he's got build the store, top rated seller, 6 orders in the queue, minimum of $9.95. Dude, I mean, come on, figure out how to do this, because look, $9.95 for 6 orders, and he's got 6 orders in the queue. Do we need to do the math on that? Times 6 equals $5,970 in 7 days. That's 7 days delivery time. Think about that. Or maybe he's doing 1 per day, and he's banking $1,000 a day. Just think about that, So learn these skills. Like I said, go over to Fiverr Learn, pick up some of these skills. Link in the description, okay? There's a link in the description. Go over to Fiverr Learn, pick up some of these skills right there. All right? The best part about using Fiverr Learn is that you get that badge on your profile. That guy's killing it. I mean, that guy's killing it. Follow everything. Watch his video. Look at his thumbnails. Nice and clean. His thumbnails very nice and clean. Automated drop shipping, Shopify store. None of these other ones where there's a bunch of crap on it. These ones are all pretty good, actually. But you just don't want a lot of stuff on there. Some people just like try to pack as much as they can. These are all pretty good. You know, good for him. He did good. And he did his video right. He put the thumbnail in front on the video. Nice job. Let's see. This guy's top rated. He's got 21 orders in the queue. How is this even possible? At 325. So same thing. Like we're looking at the same kind of numbers here. You know, 325 times 21 minimum, right? Minimum. No, that's not right. 325 times 21. So $6,825 in a minimum of 5 days. And this is minimum. Let's see what the standard is. $595, $795. So guys, like, I think drop shipping is a big thing. So like, think about this. You could do their store, and hey, what goes great with having a store is maybe some marketing to go on top of that. So then you can sell them the store, and then you can later upsell them to some marketing for their store. He's got extra fast deliveries and 5 blog posts. So he'll do blog posts. That's traffic. Blog post is traffic. It's SEO. Add 25 extra products. Okay, good. Reviews, import. I will import and edit. Okay, about us page. Excellent. These are excellent examples. So I would definitely follow up on this. I'm showing you how to research. I'm showing you how to get in there and figure it out. So drop shipping is good. Social media marketing, digital marketing. Let's see what kind of stuff shows up here. I'm trying to make this quick. I have no idea how long this is going. I'll create DIY marketing strategy plan. Digital marketing. What was the topic again? It's social media marketing. Let's see. He's a top rated seller. So let's see. 1,200 orders completed, but nothing in the queue. Not what we're looking for. We want to see something that's busy. I will deliver a digital marketing plan. I just don't believe in these digital marketing plans. I think it's a bunch of fluff, to tell you the truth. It's just funny how they link this and there's like no orders in the queue. Yeah, I think what it should be is like social media marketing, honestly, is what the category is that we're looking for. Sorry, excuse me. Social media marketing and digital marketing is what it should be. So that means like being a social media manager is pretty much what it is. Website development, WordPress. I know I've looked these numbers up before, and I know they're actually pretty good. So we have top-rated sellers. People keep returning. He's got 53 orders in the queue at $95. That's just like a premium landing page, graphics, design. Okay, he's just putting together a landing page. He's got 3 to 4 pages. I'm not going to go too like real deep into this, but I just want to show you everything that you can take advantage of here. WordPress design, top-rated seller, 8 orders in the queue at $295. At $300 almost times 8, so he's $2,400 and 14 days delivery time. Not too bad. He's doing pretty good. Let's check out the Pro Verified guy. He's got 18 orders in the queue at $500. So this just indicates, right? So this is going to show you. This is going to show you exactly what's going on here. Hopefully it's still recording. I see my face is frozen, but this is just a great indication. You got orders in the queue, and you can see the price, you can see the timeline. These are a lot of orders, so these are like really good gigs for you to get involved in. So I would definitely get involved in those. Like I said, I put the links in the description. If you guys have any questions, definitely reach out. Let me know. I'm happy to answer them, and I hope to see you killing it on Fiverr, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.